go check who it is.
Okay, back at the skedaddle, boys and girls. Let's see who's in the cafe today. OMG, it's Barbie! Oh, wow! Let's give the order to Parker.
Thank you, Ginger. Barbie wants something sweet to eat.
Okay.
What shall we make? I know. Let's get Parker's water people.
Yo, Parker, it's time to cook. What will you make in your recipe book? Will you chop or will you bake? It's time to see what you will make. Oh, yes, today's recipe is donuts. Ooh la la.
Yes, we make donuts. Let's get the ingredients.
Yes.
Flour, milk, gotcha. Egg, gotcha. Oh no, we're missing ingredients.
Uh-oh.
You know what's missing?
Boys and girls, do you know the missing ingredient?
Oh, not the missing ingredient is sugar.
Where can you get sugar from, Parker?
We need to go to bakery.
Go, Parker.
Up and away we go. Whoa! Hi, sir. Can you have high sugar, please? Which one would you like? Yes, white sugar. Okay, I get now. Thank you. That's £2, please. There we go. Bye. Bye. Whoa! Now we got sugar. You know what time it is? It's time to go! It's time to cook. Let's cook some pasta. Let's boil the rice. Let's cook the chicken. It all tastes nice. Let's make the cookies. Let's bake a cake. Let's bake the donut. And lots of things to make. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Now let's bake it. Let's get a bowl. Crack the egg. That's everything. Add the egg. Shake, shake, shake. Now let's mix it. Yum, 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 yum. Oopsies. Gotcha. And mix it. Pour it in. Sloppy. Let it sizzle. It's ready. Let's get a plate. Gotcha.
Yes.
It's Elsa.
Cool.
Ooh, ha ha ha. Let's put icing on. Ooh, yummy.
Ooh la la.
Ginger, take it to Barbie.
Okay. Here's your donut, Barbie. Enjoy. That was totally delicious. Ciao. Oh, wow, a Barbie toy and a present. Let's take it to Parker.
A ball present for me.
Yes.
Ooh, can you open it?
Parker, it's tidy up time first.
Okay, time up time. I need to tidy up a mess that I live in today. I need to put the bubble hats and cut the bows away. I need to brush them back the floors and make this with the clean. I need to get all dirty off on the horse. Wow, Barbie's cool. See you next time. Bye.
Ooh, I wonder what toy Parker will get next time in the cafe. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Bye. See you next time.